Morning, folks. It's like, I don't know, 9 o'clock. I did some cleaning of the pool back here. You're all welcome to come down for the school or just camp a little bit, stay a night or two on your travels when you're passing through. Just to let you know, we're talking about residential refrigerators. I got one in the garage. I don't necessarily like them in an RV. I've never had a problem out of my propane electric absorption refrigerator, and some of y'all don't like it, but it's a 1200 LRM, and I've never had a problem at it. So here we go. We're going to turn around. This thing's been in the garage. You have to clean the coil system and all at the bottom of it. Some of them are put up against there, and airflow is restricted, dust from outside. Some of them have filters. Let me turn it around. So this is just your basic refrigerator, right? So I've already taken the cover off, and I kind of pre-blew it out about 2 months ago. And you can see there's all kind of buildup, and it's running right now. So there you go. You got to take an air gun, blow it out. Watch your eyeballs there. Now, a lot of you are trying to fix air conditioners, but that's the service port on this one. You can adapt them on your AC, but you got to find the leak first, folks. And there's your high and low pressure ports, right? All right, so, and that's the ice valve, which your RV has, a lot of them. And right down there's the coil pack, and it looks pretty good. I can't really see it that good. I mean, you can't, but just to let you know, you got to blow these things out, folks. Preventive maintenance. Especially if you go to residential, any residential, in your garage, your house, if you ain't cleaning out, wiping out the drain pan, because that's where the condenser evaporates things and all that good stuff, and it gets mold in it, just like ACs up on top of the roof. They get clogged up, and then you got water on your floor, and you think you got a leak out of the ice machine hose, and all kind of variables there. There's one from the fridge and one from the freezer right here, and that's my tray. I'll take it out. I'm gonna clean it out too. It's not that bad. It ain't that darn good either. All right, so right there. So the air blows that way. All right. Remember we talked about fans? Notice how the fan is almost centered in its holder there, its shroud. I don't know what else I can tell you about, right? There's the overheat switch, and there's your solenoid for your water, right? I keep it out in the garage, so I got to make sure the garage stays kind of warm. I took the water off of it already. It was over by, let me see, it was over by my furnace, or right there where that spot is, right next to the right of the door. Now it goes here. So I might permanently run one day the hose all the way over here, so I ain't got to keep doing this. But right now, that's what I do. Gives me something to do, right? Please, folks, preventive maintenance is the key to all things. Air conditioning units on top, any inductive compressor motor system, right? You have to clean the condensers, the evaporators. I hope you do it because it'll save you money in the long run, and they run more efficient. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics.